pleasantly chatting with you today.
Yeah, pork on sale.
Is it all he was pitching? The butcher's wife never goes hungry.
I'd rather starve.
Oh, really? Do you see that cat? I simply must try it on. Where is that girl? How long could it possibly take to wrap a savage Cinderella? Wait here while we finish the shopping.
Yes, stepmother.
Have you ever seen a slower girl in your life?
Who are you calling slow?
Not you, stupid. Her stupid.
Who are you calling stupid?
Hello. Oh, what a lovely music box. The sweetest sounds I'll ever hear are still inside my head. The kindest words I'll ever know are waiting to be said. The most entrancing sight of all is yet for me to see. And the dearest love in all the world is waiting somewhere for me. Is waiting somewhere for
Sounds I'll never hear are still inside my head. The kindest words I'll never know are waiting to be said. The most entrancing sight of all is yet for me to see, and the dearest love in all the world is waiting somewhere for me, is waiting somewhere for me.
Did not.
So much bickering! Now, Joy, Master Boxhorn certainly gave you that hairy eyeball. He's too short. When he lacks in height, he makes up for in cash. But you always said, no girl should marry for money. No, I said for money only. Besides, that's when you were younger, dear.
Inside of all is yet for me to see.
And the